Hi student, let us continue by learning how to repeat a program in Scratch. There are three types of loop control in Scratch, which are repeat by number, repeat by condition, and repeat forever. Repeat by number is used to repeat the program until it reaches a number that we assign. Repeat by condition is used to repeat the program until it fulfills a condition. Repeat forever is used to repeat the program infinitely.
In this first example, let's create an animation where a bear is walking towards an apple. Let us see the example first. Firstly, we need to choose a forest as a backdrop stage. Secondly, pick a bear and apple icon from the sprite tab and then put it into the stage. Next, for the bear part, insert the command block when green flag clicked. Then, insert the coordinate in the code block which it say go to X and Y. Then, put a file of the play sound until done block. After that, insert amount of numbers in the repeat block. Include also the number of move step and follow with the next costume block inside it. Lastly, put a file of the play sound until done block.
For the second example, let's create an animation where a girl will dance until the music stops at a random time. Let us see the example first. To create the following scene, first we choose the backdrop in the backdrop tab. Find Hall Backdrop. Second, we choose the sprite. We choose Anina Dance in the sprite tab. Position the dancer in the middle of the screen. Next, insert the following coding block in this configuration. First, when the green flag is clicked, start sound, pick dance magic, repeat until with timer inside greater than, pick random amount to amount. Inside the repeat until, we put the next costume and wait amount seconds. Last block, use stop all sounds.
In the third example, let's create an animation where the background image will change from day to night and when the sun is rising and setting. This process will repeat forever. Let us see the example first. Before we start our program, ensure that you have uploaded two different backgrounds, two different sprites, and two different sounds. Now, let's start to program. First, place the when go click to allow us to start the program. The forever code is needed to repeat the scene infinitely. After that, select the glide to X and Y for 2 seconds at a certain position. The coordinate of the sun can be seen through the coordinate shown in the box. After that, we need to change the background to represent day. We can also start to play the sound of the rooster. Then we wait for 2 seconds before we continue our program. Finally, we can duplicate the above codes and change it to suit our night scene.
Before we end, let me give you a challenge. I want you to create a walking person on a zebra crossing. Start in a straight line from the left to the right. You may use the method that you have learned from this video. You also can use the wait function to change the costume. Okay, let's the challenge begin.